Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well, and in today's video we're just going to have a quick ramble through this tool haul from Supreme Tools. I haven't actually looked at this myself yet. I've just slit the box open so you can see how it arrives from Supreme Handtools, all wrapped up with paper, and then individual items put into these little bubble wrap bags. Some of the items are paired up in there. We'll just have to see as we go through it. These are just some bits and pieces that I ordered just to have a look at really and see how we get along with them for a couple of different loadouts. So these are the first two out of the bag here. They're both from Fujiya. We have a set of cable shears, 175mm cable shears, 6050 175 BG, just where the staple goes through. And then we have what they call their Power Monkey pliers, FLM 35-BG. These are like the Knipex plier wrenches really. I have no idea other than that. 183mm these ones. How well so these are the cable shears. Fairly small, kind of step cut design. So it's in the wrong language, isn't it? It's kind of got a duckbill nose almost at the end here, haven't we? At the front of it, and then you've got the stepped cable shear, and then we've kind of got a little gap in there in between. I'm not quite sure what's that there for. I'll have to have another look at them. Texturized dip handles on these rather than the smooth dipped handles. And then these are the plier wrenches here. Same sort of operation really as the Knipex versions. Metric scale along there, that's it, you don't get Oldie English or Imperial. Yeah, they're quite nice. I don't know if the soft jaws will fit, obviously these are only available in, these ones are only available in the normal metal jaws, as if you like. I know you can get soft jaws for the Knipex ones, so I'll have to see if they fit. But those them there again, we've got the texturized kind of dipped handles as opposed to the smooth ones. I started to look a little bit more at dipped handles, primarily because they take up a lot less room in your tool bag. VD handles are great, especially for being electricians, but they do take up an awful lot of room inside your tool bag. So that's those ones. We've got some, what's a magnetic one? Got Asahi magnetic spanner there. There's a little freebie there, and we've got some stickers, Supreme Handtools stickers, Asahi tools, Deen tools sticker as well. Okay, so these are my other two Fujiya ones. We've got the just over the tip, Multifunction pliers. You've got the cable shear in there, strippers along there. They are in millimetres squared, and you've got gauge on that side. You've got an M4 and an M3 bolt shear in there. That's probably, so in the UK we use M3.5 for sockets, so that's got a limited use. And then we've got a 0.5 to 5.5 crimper. That says bare and insulated, so that's your insulated one, and that's your bare crimper one. And obviously a much finer snipe nose at the front there, and our dipped handles. These are a slightly different feel to the pliers. This is a much smoother feel to them than this one here, than your texturized ones. Okay, that's those ones there. And then we have a pair of side cutters. Oh, he's a bit bashed up and taped up. So we can get into him. I just bought these to see what they would be like. These are spring loaded, obviously. You do have a tether there, and again a different type of handle. It's not really comfort grip, still fairly hard. It's texturized around there. No way of locking them closed. Made in Japan. These are the 770-175BG. I think these are kind of like their standard side cutters. Yeah, okay. See what they're like. And moving on, we've got a recce. We've got a green handle set of mini cobras. These are the 180mm ones. I've got a feeling these are, maybe they are stamped up Knipex Cobra, but they're sold by Rekka, so these are just semi-rebadged Cobras. So everybody will know about them. Very smooth, dipped handles on these ones. Okay, so that's those. We go to a pair of cable shears from Engineer. These are the PZ75 200mm cable shears. Again, quite a flat, stubby duckbill nose on them. And the cable shears, just the one set of blades on this one. They're not stepped in any way, shape or form. And we do have a crimp there. Handles are, yeah, these are a bit more like your comfort grip handles, aren't they? These are the ones that are specially shaped to prevent them from moving around as you're using them, and then you've got the tether there for that. Okay, we'll see how we get on with those. Here's some just some screwdriver bits from Vessel 3mm. Nothing to worry about. The Lobster. Ooh. Can't get into him. So we have here, this is a Lobster adjustable spanner. And a small one there. Yeah, so that's our Lobster. You got. This is the medium grip on this, so it's not a. I think the very first basic one is like a painted on. This is a kind of a dipped kind of handle on this one. And we just have a metric on this side up to 24mm opening on this one. Nice and smooth, a little bit of play in the jaw. Okay, so let's stick that in there. So this is the Asahi Tools. This is a limited edition 3/8 driver ratchet. Cardboard sleeve, and then inside the cardboard box, it comes open. There's our ratchet that you can't get out. Come on. There we go. Yeah, that's some posh packaging, isn't it? You can buy these in the just the standard version, and they're about half the price, I think. Just standard 3/8 drive ratchet. The push to release there on it, and we'll change of direction, and that's your lot. That's that one. And then we have our final item, which is from Deen Tools. It's just their speed kind of wrench thing here. So this is from Deen Tools. It's their T-bar adapter tool that you can take it off and have an extension. Use it as an extension if you want. This is all quarter drive on this one. You have the T handle here, obviously. Pull that back to put sockets on the end, or you can push it forward to take screwdriver bits. It's a handy Vera, so that takes screwdriver bits there if you want to, or you can push it forward and just have it as a spinner. Wherever I did put the other bit, I lost it already. Okay, there it is. It's hiding away. And obviously you can use it as a nut drive if you want to. It's mighty tight there at the top. And the black Deen labelled part here acts as a spinner. So yeah, we'll just see how we get on with that really. All of these tools are just to see what they were like really. Different bits and pieces to amuse myself with. So that's the second tool haul from Supreme Handtools. Just a few little tools for some loadouts. I may do some videos more in depth, especially of these cable shears and multifunction pliers there, comparing them to some of the other tools that I've already got that are in those categories. But that'll be it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you again in the next one.